Hello, I am Pratham and here is my project, the alarm clock. I use HTML, CSS and vanilla JavaScript to make this project, and I am going to explain what is going to happen behind the scene. Let me just set up an alarm. And we can see the alarm has been set. My project contains three parts. The first part is the contain a digital clock which will change at every second, and we can also and my second part is we can also set a multiple alarm to this, as you see at 7:30 set alarm. We can also set the multiple alarm, and the third part of my project is that when the time is come, when the set time is come, my alarm it will be ringing. You can see now. And by clicking the stop alarm button, we stop our alarm, and also by clicking the delete alarm button, delete our alarm. Let's go to the code part of this project. Here is the HTML file, this code for this code, and I use very simple HTML tag and code to make a outline for this project. Here you see I also link my CSS page, CSS file, and my JavaScript file to the HTML file. And you say here I make a div for my set alarm of a 24-hour clock, as you can see in my output. Now coming to the CSS file, here we use basic CSS property to style the alarm clock and to position the respective button and input fields to our project. You can see I use very basic properties to design our alarm clock. And now going to the heart of this project, which is the JavaScript file. This is my JavaScript file for this alarm clock, in which we use code. You see set alarm, set audio function. Firstly we use set alarm, we use audio set. This is the code for set audio for alarm, and this is the code for play audio for the alarm. And you see this is the main part of this code, function of this code to update time at every second. You see in my output my digital clock update time in every second. And you can also see that here is the function of the clear alarm and stop alarm. In the output view you can see that I also use the delete and stop button. Here is the code of used to remove delete and clear and stop the playing alarm. And here is the list for deleting the multiple alarm which has been set. You can see here I use more code for more function. You can see, and I also set an alert button for invalid time enter. As we enter invalid time, then the alert so invalid time entered. You can see. And this is the final output for my project. You can see I set the digital clock and set alarm for 24-hour clock. We can also set the alarm by clicking this button, and we can also set the minute by clicking this button, and also set the second by clicking this button, and set alarm. And when the alarm is ringing, then you click the stop alarm to stop the alarm, and you want to delete alarm, then you click the delete alarm to delete the alarm. That's all from my side. Thank you.